Good morning, students. This video is related to your Zoom class. So our first chapter is going on, that is Introduction to Chemistry, and we are doing importance of chemistry. So importance of chemistry in agriculture and in industries. Also, chemistry plays a very important role in making of products. Okay, products like food materials such as refined oils, butter, cheese, etc. are obtained through chemical reactions. Okay, so materials are also obtained through the chemical reactions. Household products like cooking gas, which is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, food preservatives, specific utensils, electronic items, all involve the use of chemistry. Okay, so today we study about the use of chemistry in clothing materials like fabrics. Example, silk are made through chemical reactions. Okay, so silk is a clothing material which is made through the chemical reaction. So chemistry plays a very important role in making a silk also. Okay, also chemistry plays a very important role in petroleum products. What are petroleum products? Like wax, soap, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Okay, synthetic means man-made. Synthetic wood, gas, paint, plastics, etc. all obtained from petroleum, means all are petroleum products, and petroleum products are made with the help of chemistry, means are obtained through chemical reactions. Next, use of chemistry in communication. So what are the appliances that are used for communications, like telephones, tape recorders, cell phones, television sets, etc. So to make these machines, there are some substances like metals, plastics, copper wires, silicone chips, PVCs, etc. So all these are the invention of chemistry. Metals, plastics, copper wires, silicone chips, enamels, PVCs, etc. All these are the invention of chemistry. So with the help of these inventions, telephones, tape recorders, cell phones, television sets are made. Okay, so chemistry plays a very important role in communications also. Okay, next is use of chemistry in wars. So knowledge of chemistry has been used to produce deadly weapons. What are deadly weapons? Like poisonous gases. These gases are used in the wars. High powered explosives, bombs like atom bombs. So these are the weapons that are used in the war. So in this way we can say that chemistry is also helpful in world war, like the discovery and the use of atom bomb in 1945 by USA compelled Japan to surrender in the Second World War. USA used atom bomb in 1945 on Japan in the two cities Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So chemistry also helpful in the World War, Second World War also. Okay, so in this way we can say that there is a great use of chemistry in war also. Okay, now last, use of chemistry in national economy. National economy means nature provide us only raw materials, such as these are natural materials like air, water, coal, oil, minerals, etc. Okay, so chemistry use these natural materials. Making use of chemical processes, these materials produce thousands of useful substances. Chemistry produce thousands of useful substances by using these natural materials. Okay, so by using these natural materials, chemistry invented metals, plastics, dyes, drugs, textiles, soaps, etc. Okay, so the manufacturing of these substances from the raw material build up our national economy.